Yesterday I went on a run on this beach. It was so nice, but I rolled my ankle pretty bad, but it was fine. I'm fine, I recovered. Let's get this day rolling, am I right? Good morning, my people. Today is our last adventure day. I'm not really sure what my dad has planned. He said it's a surprise, so you and I are going along for the ride. I woke up a little extra early this morning to catch the sunrise, and man, was it a good one. About 7:15 right now, getting some pictures. I shoot with a Sony a7 III. Obviously, I said earlier, me and my family, we haven't been on one of these in a while, and it was great to see my grandpa, check in with him and see how he's doing down here in Florida. Head back to Boston as soon as I get home, and then I'll get quarantined and checked there for COVID as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this series of videos. If you did, feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Taking pictures of birds right now. Like taking pictures of sports. It's kind of the same. Maybe some landscape photos, I don't know. New city, new me. It seems to be the new theme of this. Can I get a large black coffee, please? And can I get a little bit of room for almond milk? Thank you so much. Okay, first stop of the day was Gulfport Cafe. I picked up a coffee, large black with a little bit of almond milk. Love going to that place. I went there the past few days since we've been here. The owner actually goes to BU, so it's always funny, you know, finding those little Boston connections. But headed back to the condo right now where my grandpa lives, and gonna check in with the rest of the crew on what today's plan is. But I think we're in for a treat, so. Also, coffee thoughts, you know, I feel like I'm always thinking a lot when I do these like little walks that I do. Sunrises are better than sunsets because sunsets and the day ends. Sunrises, the day is just starting. That's my theory. Comment down below if you feel differently, but chasing the sunrise, I think, is so much cooler than chasing the sunset. 9 out of 10, be a little hotter. Other than that, fire coffee. Cheers. Tim, you wanna give us a fishing update?
So far, we've caught one flying fish. We caught one snook, I think it was. Connor here is struggling with his fishing rod. He got caught in the rocks once here, hit the bench with his cast. Now he's back to see if he can get it in the water and get some action. There you go.
What's the technique?
Whip it.
You got one?
Oh, shit.
Fishy.
Yeah, should I feed it to Mr. Bird?
Jitty, you got a friend. I think he's saying hello, Jitto.
Yeah, a little on the thin side, I think.
Easy to take off, and then they dangle.
Drop it down, see?
You're gonna hook your mother, dude. What are you doing?
Hold the line. Hold the line.
This, go back.
Let go. No. What did you just do? Okay.
Broke.
Oh my god.
Broke it all.
You broke. Oh my god. I have no weight now.
Wait, but where'd the whole fishing thing go?
You're done.
I broke the
No,
rod,
but you
so
went to
I'm done fishing for the day. I got 0 fishies. Johnny's got 2. Connor's got 0 fishies. Since I'm not allowed to fish, I think I'm just gonna go for a run. The fishing life isn't for me. Post-run, we are just chilling on the beach. We got collecting some shells. We got some sea urchins. but we're just chilling with my grandpa Jiddu and taking some little cute beach photos, getting some work with my camera once again. If I was to sell like prints of some of my photos, would you guys be interested? I've kind of always wanted to do it, so comment down below. Giraffe crab. I don't know, I feel like the science kid out here. Squishy.
Oyster, you know, you can snag these off the beach and make appetizers.
He's loving this. It's quite the handful you got.
We're gonna bring the coral home with us.
So I found a possible seagull. I don't really know why I'm touching this. I feel like we're in science class because I do. Rocks for jocks. This class is finally coming in handy.
You haven't enlightened us with any information.
Okay, so we're back, a little change of outfits, got some food in our system, and now we are actually on the way to the gym, and we are doing a little back and bicep workout, us three, and it's gonna be a good time, I already know it. And yeah, so we'll take you guys along, we'll bring you through the workout, and of course, it's gonna be followed with Lindsay's lovely ab circuits, love that. And so yeah, see you there.
Yeah, Johnny, did he get it? But you gotta get it on back.
Yeah.
The fish cutter, you turn towards our way.
You Velcroed it.
I didn't.
No, Lindsay did.
Lindsay puts it inside out and backwards. I wouldn't ask Lindsay.
It is tough.
Do I just hold this?
Oh, you do that exercise that woman from Marinette with you, like Superman. Bring your legs up. Fall through your lower back through here. Different way to do it.
You go up and down, you don't hold it, Kate.
The head up, what are you, that Bridget Trevithia?
Are you kidding me?
No, Kate.
You're holding it like that. Yeah. Yeah, see, that's why I got the 5-pound size.
What's up? Lighter.
I never said it was easy.
There's a small one over there, that's probably too heavy for you.
We did 40 pounds
If
last
I did it, she can do it.
actually, I did 20 push-ups last time with the mom, so. I'm just saying goodbye. See? It's the strangest thing.
It's good to be back at the gym. Those home workouts can get to you after a little while.
You know, we threw in some CrossFit weight vests. CrossFitters over here. You need to explain what this is. Oh, but Jesus. That wraps up today's Back and Buys day. We didn't have time for core only because we're only slotted an hour of time, but I can actually give a link down below to a favorite court circuit that me and Lynn's like to do. We'll be doing it when we get. You know what? You might just see it. You might just see the core exercise.
Sure how I got left out of the core.
You can do the core.
He said Lynn's and I. I'm like, hey.
Okay, well the girls are all gonna do some core when we get home. But
then
yeah, that's pretty much core. Sunset core. See you at home.
Last night.
So for dinner, we got a grouper with pita, fresh veggies, and feta. Johnny already finished his fish taco.
Delicious. Good vacation.
Little golf court dinner downtown.
10 out of 10. Best fish tacos. Been looking for them all vacation.
He won't look at us. He's like, you left me at home.
So I love that you guys had a name tag made with your phone number. So he's only
Hey, buddy, what's up?
Talk to them. Stop being naughty. Whole house is covered in dog hairs. Oh, he's scared of everything. My God.
What's that?
He sees the cars moving down in Havel Street and he panics.
Bodie, we miss you. All right, Graham.
Yeah, Meg, you want to carry a 75-pound bag?
Dude, you're the strongest guy in the family, bro.
Sorry about it.
What level?
4, buddy, 4.
She's what? The lacrosse balls have been confiscated. Are there like 30 lacrosse balls in there? Yeah, 25. So we're 0 for 5 today in the airport. John decided to bring his math utensils through TSA, and they said no to that. Potential stabbing devices. Kimmy decided to bring water, so she had to go back through the whole check-in. Lindsay was having some problems because she had 30 lacrosse balls and about 15 baseballs. So my bag was 9 pounds over. I'm not sure how. I got a souvenir mug, that's it. So of course my dad's not gonna pay extra. I had to repack and put it into other bags, but at least we're not late for this flight. We're on time, we're early. Waiting on mom to go through TSA for round 2. Always thrilling to be at the airport with the family.
Got the shells through security then. Oh, wait. One that I think is a live mussel. Wasn't sure what he was going to say about that one.
Oh my life.
Is there anything in there that could stick me or hurt me? Thinking, yeah, those rough shells that you might stick your hand in.
Okay, so we have made it back to New Jersey finally. I just want to say real quick before I end this vlog, thank you so much for anyone who follows my content, likes these videos, and subscribes to my channel. All of your support means so much. I hope to continue to build as a content creator, so stay tuned, and once again, welcome to my life with KD. Till next time, peace.